What's up, guys, and thanks so much for joining me here at WP LaCroix. Just wanted to take a second to do a quick video. I just finalized a dividend portfolio that I've been tracking for a while, and I think is really good. I know that video got the most traction so far out of all the videos I've done, so I want to come out with a dividend portfolio video with a little more information on that when we get to a certain amount of interests or a certain amount of subscribers. So stay tuned for that. One thing I did want to talk to today, as this week ends up or finishes up, a couple thoughts are coming to mind, a couple stocks are coming to mind. As you guys may or may not know, I'm a big believer in Tesla, the long-term future in Tesla. I love innovation, people changing the norm. The norm right now is still ICE vehicles, and Tesla's totally disrupting that, totally changing that. And now you see so many players coming into the game, but they're not just disrupting the electric cars, they're disrupting autonomous driving, how we get energy today. And I think that's something to really take a good look at moving forward. So that's one thing. I mean, I think we've just continued to grow off that. Tesla stock was up pretty good this week. I anticipate it's going to float around that range for probably a little while. Elon Musk mentioned that they may not be profitable this first quarter, and so when they release their earnings, we just have no clue what they're going to do. I don't know when a good time to get into the stock is going to be. I'm just slowly buying over time, waiting for the moment when they finally are in a good position financially to really explode, because I know they will. And I know because they're dropping these prices of their cars, their vehicles, they're going to continue to have so much more demand, and just keep an eye out for that moving forward. Another stock that I've been watching a lot lately is Lululemon. I did a couple videos about it. Man, I just love the position of the company. I love the long-term outlook. I think they're going to continue to grow. They've just got such a good niche. I do think it's important, if the stock market does drop, like it definitely could in the next couple of years, and like a lot of analysts are anticipating or expecting it to do, because we've been on this bull run for so long, they might come back a little bit. I just love the long-term outlook, long-term picture. I think they're going to be a big player in the athletic wear space, as well as kind of just the leisure wear and comfort level, even the everyday work. I mean, like I had mentioned in a previous video, I wear their outfits and their gear to work, just because they have classy stuff and it's so comfortable. So I really like what they're doing. I really like Tesla, the move Tesla's making. I really like Qualcomm and AT&T. I think they're very undervalued stocks that also pay really good dividends. They're both in the dividend video. I just like what they're doing this year. I think with 5G, that movement, that's a huge innovation that's going to change so much. So keep an eye out for them. One other thing I wanted to touch on is blockchain technology. I haven't touched on this a lot. I'm going to keep a really close eye out, especially in the next few months, what blockchain technologies are really starting to grow. That is definitely the future. You can say whatever you want, but about cryptocurrency, but blockchain is the future, and everyone's going to be moving that direction. We see evidence of that through the JP Morgan coin. I think it's JPM coin is what they're calling it. That's not a cryptocurrency. It sounds like a cryptocurrency, but it's not. That's just utilizing the blockchain technology to speed up some of these transactions. So I think it's a very smart move by JP Morgan. I think they need to move more into the cryptocurrency space in order to have more success with that. But at least currently, I think it's a great move. Look out for Facebook. Facebook it's going to do really well. Long term, it's going to do really well. I know they have a lot of bad articles and stuff coming out, especially recently, but they're going to make a move in the blockchain technology in the cryptocurrency world that's really going to be a game changer. So look out for them as well. So those are the companies I'm looking at right now. Also, I mean, there's so many other great companies out there. Let me know if there's any specific companies you want me to do a quick analysis on. I think my next video is going to be a quick analysis on Apple. They just released a ton of new things. I kind of want to break down where they're at right now. Do they have room for growth? And kind of the long-term picture of Apple. Are they going to continue to be the dominator in the tech space, in the tech product space. Now they're moving into services more. So I'm going to cover that in my next video. And then let me know if you like those dividend videos. I'll probably come out with another video in the next couple of weeks of 3 more high paying dividend stocks that could potentially do really well. The key with investing in dividend stocks is you can't just choose a high paying dividend stock because it pays a high dividend. If you do that, you're going to get killed. I've done it before. I've gotten killed. So I kind of want to make sure you guys aren't making those same mistakes. And that's why I think it's important to talk about those. We love dividends, love getting that passive income. Whether you're reinvesting that dividend or just keeping it, they're always make you pumped every quarter when you get those. So I'll cover a couple more. I have a lot of dividend stocks that I'm looking at consistently, some that are in my dividend portfolio. Most of the ones I'm going to cover right now are going to be in my dividend portfolio, but I'll kind of break those down and maybe talk about some others that could be good as well. So look out for that coming up, and thanks so much for watching, guys, and stay tuned.